Hello and welcome. This is Sohaib here. I'm in Emaar Sales Center right now, and here's the layout of the community named as Emaar Grand Polo Resorts, where for the first time ever, Emaar has introduced 3 and 4 bedroom townhouses. We're talking about a price point that is starting from 3.5 million dirham for a 3 bedroom townhouse, and for a 4 bedroom townhouse, it is going to be starting from 4.5 to 5.2 million dirhams. If we talk about the exact location of the community, here's your Expo Road. Your main interest is going to be through this Expo Road, and it is also connected through your Emirates Road as well. Even though if we talk about the theme of the community, you are pretty much centrally oriented with polo fields in the middle and clubhouses right in the center. We're talking about a 5.5 million square meters of a community with over 1.59 million square meters of open spaces. So you can just have an idea how much of lavish and luxury community this is going to be. So if we talk about the availability right now, 3 and 4 bedroom townhouses are coming up in this cluster. You are right at the entrance of the community. It is going to be having 3 entrances, first, second and third, but this is the main entrance, the first entrance, so you are pretty much near to the exit and entry point of the community. If we talk about previous launches, it was like 2 months back, Emaar has launched Chevalier State 2, also Silvara as well, where we were having 4 bedroom villas. Those were starting at a price point of around like 8.1 million dirhams, and those were sold out pretty much quickly. So for a 3 and 4 bedroom townhouses starting from 3.5 to 4 million dirhams, definitely it is the best product to go with, and it is going to be selling out pretty much quickly. For now, I have to step out of the sales center just because it was so much noisy, as most of the brokers and clients have come in for this specific launch. We're talking about 3 and 4 bedroom townhouses. Emaar has introduced townhouses for the first time ever in Grand Polo, and definitely whenever a product like this is introduced in the first cluster, it has more potential as compared to the next one to be launched. For now, if we talk about the layouts of this 3 and 4 bedroom townhouses, 3 bedroom townhouses are going to be the middle units, and 4 bedroom townhouses are going to be the corner units. And if we compare the sizes of these townhouses, 3 bedrooms are starting up with a built-up area of around like 2280 square feet, and for a 4 bedroom townhouse, your built-up area is going to be around 2400 2500 square feet. Now, if we see Emaar as a brand value, definitely it stands out in the market. Like, it is a semi-government developer. They are the people behind iconic Burj Khalifa. They are the people behind downtown Dubai. So definitely no question on the brand value. Now, even if we talk about the previous project, even like Dubai Hair State or even the Valley by Emaar, where the starting prices for their first launch in for 3 bedroom townhouses was starting from 690 dirham per square feet, and now it is trading anywhere between 1450 to around 1500 dirhams per square feet. So people have earned a lot with Emaar, and like people consider it more of a stock value right now. Like, Emaar is not known for its high end quality, but definitely in terms of appreciation, Emaar stands out in the market. Now, talking about this specific product, 3 and 4 bedroom townhouses, we are in EOI phase right now. Like, the EOI amount for a 3 bedroom townhouse is around 350,000 dirhams, and for a 4 bedroom townhouse, your EOI amount is going to be around 450,000 dirhams. Payment plan for these townhouses goes same like as it is standard for Emaar, which is 80-20. 20% of the payment you are paying as a down payment, 60% of the payments you have to pay during construction, and remaining 20% you can pay at the time of handover, or even though you can resell the property, go for the mortgage as well, or even the rentals as well. So that's it for now. Even if you need to ask anything about Emaar, you can just send me a WhatsApp. I'm always up. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.